It's Brooke with WTI. We know how much smells really matter, and having the right smell in your home is a must. That's why I love Febreze's Air Freshener. This is their Gain Original scent. I love using this all over the house. It comes with 6, so you can put one in each room. It does a great job of getting rid of that nasty odor that you get in the bathrooms, just maybe because you have carpet, and even in the kitchen where sometimes there's some burnt food. It really works well. I love the scent of it. It's very nice, it's subtle, it's non-irritating. Nobody in my family complains, and it's really nice to just have around. It works great, and when you spray it, it comes out evenly and does a great job of distributing along the room. This is one of my favorite smells, so it's perfect for stubborn odors in your house that you're trying to get rid of. Yes, they're clean, but it doesn't mean it always smells clean. So we love using this. This is amazing, and it works really great. But that's just my point of view.